Number 9, what are your favorite design resources that you use? A few design resources I absolutely love. One of them, Coolors. It's a great way to create a color palette. Number 2, Font Ninja. It's a great way to see the types of fonts that other businesses use and how they use them, the size of the font, the color of the font, all of that. Number 3, Google Fonts or Adobe Fonts. Spend time on those websites, learn about the fonts, and find your favorites that you could use on client projects again and again. Number 4, Landbook is a great resource to see some of the most beautiful websites on the planet. The next one, Platforma.ws. Go check out their wireframes. If you see their wireframes, all your sites should be structured basically the same. You don't need to reinvent the wheel as a UI or UX developer. Start with things that people already know and are familiar. Just make it unique to the client. I also have another 5 to 8 resources that I provide in the Designer Starter Kit. Again, check that link down below.